guys, this is me Atalia and welcome back to my channel. Like I told you in my last video, if you watched my video, the floating mansion, I told you we are going to see what is in the secret passage in the house. So let's go. So where is the house? I've forgotten because I think I flied too long away. Oh, there's the house. That's the floating mansion, if you watched that. So let's go inside. Don't be scared, guys. I wonder what is in there. Be careful. Whoa. Wait, what's that? Golden bars! Whoa. Golden bars. There's 3 of them. Whoa. Guys, if you guys see this underground, don't forget to comment to me. Look, there's golden bars on crafty lands. Oh my gosh. Whoa. 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 I can't still believe I found some golden bars. Whoa, this secret passage leads to the golden bars. Shh, guys, I think I became too noisy, but don't be too noisy too, because maybe there's a dragon guarding these golden bars. Let's not be noisy. But I like the golden bars. It's so shiny. I like shiny things. Let's get out of here. Like what I said, maybe there's a dragon guarding those golden bars, so I'm afraid to go there again. And it's so dark even. We can't even see if there's a dragon there. But that's very cool. I found the golden bars. But I'm not going to steal it, okay? I'm not a robber. And everybody knows that. Oh, I think I want to go there again. No. The dragon will eat me. The dragon will eat me. But I want to go. No. But I want to go. No. Let's not go there. Let's not go there. Let's not go there. Okay, I'm getting crazy because of those golden bars. Because they're so shiny and I like shiny things. Okay, let's just make a swimming pool to make me feel better. Swimming pools make me feel better. And in my next video, I will teach you guys how to get the wolf. Hey, I said this block. This would be a pattern. Of course I would add it water, just wait guys. There. You freaking wolf, don't worry, we will get you later. So let's add some bars so it will not fall. It will not fall. And let's make the roof. Hmm. Okay. Now let's add like this. And this is how you make a swimming pool, a good swimming pool, guys. This is how you make it. Just follow me, and if I am too fast, just pause it. Just pause the video if I am too fast, because I don't want the video to be so long. I like the sound of this map. Okay, now to make the water. And then there. Are you guys done making it now? If not, I will give you 50 seconds to make this. If you want, okay guys. Okay, the 50 seconds is starting now. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. Whoa, there's a fox. 16, 17, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. What about let's put this fox in a. Okay, what about let's do it right now? The one I'm saying. We're going to catch the wolf. First, if you're going to catch the wolf, of course you're going to find the wolf and there. Shut up, wolf. You should be fast. You should be fast here. Let's just wait until he gets trapped. Seriously, this wolf keep on walking. Have to make it big. And that's how you trap a wolf, guys. I did it. You add some water so it will not escape. There. Gotcha, wolf. Hey, you're trapped now forever. Now I will sell you. I'm just joking. But of course we have to trap a wolf because it will eat us. And if you guys watch the wolf walkers, wolves are my favorite. They are wolf walkers, but I don't like bad wolves. There. You will be trapped forever, and please don't be noisy. Okay? Maybe he's hurting. Maybe he's hurt. That's why. That's why he keep on saying ow. Ow. Okay? Guys, I have 10 seconds to say bye-bye to you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, and bye-bye.